QR code sa computer para malaman, for example, may price, yung ano, so may QR code yan. Then, i-scan nyo yung barcode, then doon mo malalaman yung ilan yung price. Or, for example, kung anong brand yung binibili mong product. Next is light pen. So, light pen, ito yung parang ball pen na ginagamit natin, for example, makikita natin yan sa mga architecture. So, yung light pen, yun yung sinusulat. Ball pen yan siya, then sinusulat. Para ano siya, digital na talaga siya, ball pen, sinusulat. Isa dyan is yung, for example, kung pupunta kayo sa mga mapapagawa kayo ng ID, meron talaga yung tinatawag na light pen. Kasi yung light pen na yun, for example, sa mga site signature, kinukuha talaga nila. Then next is the scanner. So yung scanner, sila yung nag-i-scan ng information. For example, if you want to scan your picture, so yun yung scanner. Yung purpose ng scanner doon is ini-scan nila yung yung picture, then ginagawang soft copy, from hard to soft copy. Next is the stylus. So, kaparasan din yan siya ng pen, diniscuss ko na pen, pero yung stylus, meron yan siyang parang board, maliit. So, doon yung sinusulat. So, next is the output devices. So, yung output devices naman, these are the output na pinapakita sa iyo yung ginawa mo sa input. For example, sa input, nag-input ka ng name mo sa Word using the keyboard. Then, yung output, yung monitor, ipapakita niya yun kung anong ginawa mo. Ipapakita niya yun yung result ng input mo. Like gano'n. So, first is the monitor. Gaya ng sabi ko, monitor, showing you the result na kung anong in-input mo. Next is speaker. Speaker is, for example, nag-insert ka ng song doon si speaker. Ilalabas yung speaker, yung song na talaga, yung kanta na talaga. Nag-select ka ng song, si speaker na yung maglalabas or ikakanta yung mo. Ilalabas yung result ng song na sinelect mo. Next is the headphone. So, headphone. Known kayo sa headphone, di ba? Okay. Yung headphone naman, ito yung has a privacy. Kung ayaw mo talaga ng makakarinig sa mga music mo, so meron yan siya. Privacy yung headphone. And same din siya. Output din yan siya. Kung ano yung sinirect mo sa headphone na song, yun yung ilalabas talaga ni headphone. Then next is the GPS, or known as the Global Positioning System. So, ito yung GPS. Kung saan ka, for example, kung saan ka ngayon nakatayo, then na-open ka ng GPS, yung result doon is, ipapakita sa inyo yung GPS kung saan ka talaga ngayon. Yung location mo, yung exactly area na kung saan ka ngayon nakatayo. So, that is also an output. Next is the plotter. Plotter naman, known ito sa paggawa ng tinatawag nating tarpaulin. So, yung plotter naman, siya yung gumagawa ng tarpaulin. So, doon tayo, for example, meron tayong soft copy. So, gagawin natin, isa-send natin kay plotter, then si plotter na yung gagawa ng tarp as a hard copy para yung result na talaga. Next is the projector. So, yung projector naman, example, yung projector is, kaya sabi ko, isineselect, for example, nag-select, you are using PPT, then you want to present, you can use projector. So, doon, yung input mo is magiging doon yung, for example, yung laptop, then yung maging output mo is yung projector. Kung ano yung nasa laptop, yung projector mapapakita yung result. Next is yung both input and output. Yung both input and output naman ay yung CD or DVD. Sila yung mga DVD na pwede ilalagay, pwede din yung it can be an input, it can be an output. For example, sa CD naman, may nilalagay sila dyan na mga movie. Then, yung output, yun na nga, ilalagay mo sa CD, then, panonoorin mo. Yun yung output. Next is the touchscreen. So, monitor and touchscreen, pwede sila maging same. So, yung monitor, pwede siya maging touchscreen if nakokontrol mo na. Pwede mo na siyang hawakan or pwede mo siyang makontrol using your finger. And that's the touchscreen. Next is the digital camera. So, yung digital camera naman, ito yung camera na for example, kukuha ka, pack. Then, yun na, yung anong kinuha mo, yun yung result. Yung result is ipapakita sa'yo yung yung input doon is kukuha ka ng picture. Yung output naman doon is kung ano ipapakita, yung picture na kinuha mo, yun yung ipapakita sa iyo, picture. Okay, did you get it? Nakuha nyo ba lahat? Okay, next. I have 4 question para sa inyong lahat. This be recorded kung sino yung makakasagot. Next, first question is, does monitor can be an input? If yes, why? And if no, why? Okay, yes daw. Bakit? Okay, so monitor can be an input because in today's, meron na tayong touchscreen. So, yung monitor pwede na siyang i-control using our fingers. Next is that, give an example of output and input devices that you are using right now. Okay, so you are using keyboard, mouse, ano pa? Projector, ginagamit nyo, speaker, and headphone. Okay, very good. So, next question is, what is input devices? Sino makakasagot? Makakuha ng points. Okay. Okay, input devices are the, are devices that used to insert data. So, nag-i-insert data sa computer. Okay, very good. So, for the last question is, what it is important to you to have hardware in your life? So, bakit ito importante na may input and output hardware sa buhay mo?